an update. All the pistons are now removed. I bashed number one out of the liner this morning, which was in there solid. Everything's solid in this machine. So basically there's only one decent piston really out of all of them, but I'm going to renew the pistons. Unfortunately we had some rod damage on two. Could be cleaned up, but I'd like to renew two of the rods. Two need changing really. 3 and 4 are okay. Bearings are alright. What they did then, I've got to go back up to get remaining 3 liners out. So what I did, I cut a circle out of this bit of plate and made up a liner puller. So that's the bit I cut out. So that goes to the bottom of the liner. This goes at the top of the liner. And I can make 2 little legs on there, either side of there, and jack him up on the big nut there to pull him out. So this is a liner. See the O-rings absolutely rotted out there. The engine had run for at least 15 years, so I don't know when the last time this machine did any work in anger. Bearings are actually okay. Bottom of the bearings okay. They put up one hell of a fight to get out. You can see there. Let me see if it's a bit better from the side. See the rings on that one. That's number 3. It's okay, but these are seized up and stuck in the liner. The liner actually came out when we bashed the piston out, so the next stage now is to order some parts up really. Go back up, get the 3 remaining liners out, order the parts up, and clean up the block, do some work which needs to be done. Now the engine's out, it's much easier to do, renewing hoses or whatever. You see the amount of force it used to get this one out. Big bar and a massive flogger, and hit the shit out of them. That's how solid they were. So that one, I got that one out this morning, but that was still tight. I had to use a small sledgehammer and a dolly to give it a whack out. But it's the first time these have seen daylight for a long time, if ever. They might have been even the original ones in the engine when the machine's built in 1970, so it's progressing, slowly but it's progressing. There's a lot of work still to do, but onwards and upwards.